video, we're going to learn how to solve sort. For you to solve the sort, you require to find two numbers. If you multiply, you get 162. And one of the number must be perfect square. Perfect square in the sense that you find the square root of that number as easy as it is. And you have to say this is equals to 81 times 2. 81 times 2 is equals to 162. Therefore, you will say this is 81. We have 81 multiplied by 2. Then this 81 is equals to 9. Now 9 root 2. That is as simple as this. Then the next question says we are going to express x squared y in a sort form. Then we can solve it by saying here we have x squared in a separate root multiplied by y squared in a separate root. Therefore, these two cancel out the square root. Then here we have x square root of y. That's the answer of this one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.